Hello everybody, my name is Andy Tuttle and welcome to our very first edition of Accent Insights. This is the first episode of an ongoing series of product demonstrations. Today we are going to get started with the Canon Print Driver and output methods. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's jump to the workstation here and I'll show you the Canon Print Driver and exactly what I'm talking about. So what do I mean when I say output method? Well, let me show you. I've chosen a document, a black and white document to print on our black and white device, the Canon Image Runner 4725. When I hit print and go to print properties, it brings up the Canon Print Driver. If we go to the first tab where it says basic settings, down here it says output method. There's a print and hold, there's a secure print, a print and store, a promote print, a schedule print, and an edit and preview. A print and hold, as soon as I press that, a dialog box comes up and it asks me to name this. I can also choose to use the file name, but for now, we're just gonna call it hold test. So now that we're on the panel of the Canon, if I walk over to that device and scroll over, there's a hold icon. So now when I select this, I see the hold test file that I sent over there. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to select delete after printing, and I'm going to hit start printing. So why would I use this function? Well, you can use it as a secure print function. Another reason to use it would be making sure that we're not printing and forgetting things on the machine. It's going to save a lot of paper and it'll save you service clicks as well. So thank you for attending today's Accent Insights. We're looking forward to showing you more things next week. So stay tuned.